Today we're taking a look at the weighted vest set by Beat Boost. So thank you to the company for sending us this to try out. So first we'll talk about what the set comes with. It comes with the vest. It has 2 arm bands, 2 leg bands, also weights that go into the vest's arm and leg bands. It also has a nice convenient carry pouch for either putting your phone or your keys. You can strap this onto your arms. In terms of weight, this particular set came with 40 pounds worth of weight. So these are 0.625 pounds each. So 4 of them equals about 2.5 pounds. So one of the things that's nice about this vest with having the smaller weights is you don't have one big plate in the front and one big plate in the back. These are much more flexible, more form-fitting. They fit around your body and give you much more comfort. It does carry the weight very evenly. How you put the weights in on the vest, there is Velcro on the top. So you just open up the Velcro, take one of these weights and just slide it in. You can double it up. So right now I've got 20 pounds on here, so every pocket is full with 20 pounds, but you could potentially double it up with 2 weights in each pocket and get it up to 40 pounds. So when you're putting the weights on the arm and leg bands, it's a little bit different. There's a nice convenient flap on the top. So you just open up the flap and you just slide the weights in and out. The material is very breathable. It's anti-slip. They're really easy to put on. The straps hold really well. It's all Velcro straps. On the arm bands, you have 2 Velcro straps. They're really heavy duty, so really adjustable to kind of make it fit nicely. The vest itself has a nice big Velcro across the middle, so you can adjust it to fit your waist and make it nice and comfortable. If you want to cinch up the shoulder straps and make them a little bit thinner, the Velcro on the pads allows you to do that. One of the things that I really like about this weighted vest set is the adjustability of the weight, of where you're carrying the weight. Because you have these smaller weights, it's easy to put more weight in the vest or more weight in the arms and legs. So you can kind of adjust it to your needs and what you feel like working out more. The straps on this vest and also the arms and the leg bands are really easy to use, very comfortable, and make it nice and form-fitting. So when you're out there exercising, it doesn't slip, it stays in place. And as an added bonus in the set, they also include this quick dry towel, which is convenient as you're out there walking or running or exercising to kind of dry yourself off.